And now I have a birthday which is 10 years before I was already born, but I'm in the bus and it seems it will work. It's around 6 AM here in the Monday morning in Wuhan, and I just got me some baozi with red bean paste inside. So all of the breakfast places are already ready for breakfast or are preparing for breakfast at the moment, so that all of the workers who want to go to the construction sites or to the factories nearby get something to eat. So I will now go back to the hotel when I'm able to find it and eat my baozi. Yeah. Actually, I couldn't wait until I get back to the hotel. I had to taste it, and it's a very good baozi. So here it is, the red bean paste. It's sweet and I like it very much. So even every time when I have the chance to get something like this, I will try to get one. Or in this case, 3. If you saw my last year's video from 2017, I told you that everywhere in China now you have these bikes for rental, and this is how they look 1 year later. And this is just an example for all of the other bikes lying around the cities, which are not already scrapped, because there are also some big scrap yards where they have more. So they got destroyed, they got dirty, and yeah, they are not as used as frequently as last year. It's 9:30 and I just had my second breakfast in Wuhan. I went to the same place as yesterday, and I also had the same breakfast as yesterday. Today I will leave Wuhan and I will go to Hanchuan. And the reason why I have to go there is, first, the brother of my wife lived there, also my nephew, so we will visit them. But I also have to go there because before we visit the parents of my wife, I have to register with the police that I will stay at their home. Usually when you come to China, you have to register in the first 24 hours every time when you change places, when you change cities, for example. And usually when you are living in a hotel, then the hotel will do the registration for you, so maybe you will not even you will not even recognize that they will do it. But when you will not stay at the hotel, so you have to register yourself. That's why I have to go to Hanchuan, which is this nearest police station near the home of my wife. So we will go there. This is the plan for today, and then we will check if the registration will work. Otherwise I will not be allowed to stay there. We will go there by bus, but first we have to take the subway to the bus station, and then we will take a bus which will maybe take around 1 hour to go there. There are some mosquitoes at my legs, so that's why I'm moving. So yeah, when we arrive with the bus, I think we could just take a taxi to the hotel, and then I'm really excited for the next room tour, because I booked a special room in this hotel, and from my understanding there's only one room which looks like that, but I will show you later in the Hanchuan room tour. So see you later. return your 3-day tickets and get the deposit back, you have to go to one of these service centers, and then they will give you your money. And now we will go to the bus station. So we are now at the ticket office for the bus station, and there's a big fan at the top, and it also says big fan on it, so it seems it's also the brand. I've never seen a bigger fan than this one. Okay, now we will buy the tickets for the bus, and yeah, several years ago you could just buy it without your passport, but now like for train tickets also the passport is required. So my wife is now waiting for the ticket office to get next in line, and then she will buy the tickets for us. And hopefully we can leave soon and take our bus to Hanshan. Okay, we are now in the bus. I told you you have to use your passport to get a bus ticket, but the problem is international passports doesn't work, so they used another ID card of some of the employers. And now I have a birthday which is 10 years before I was already born, but I'm in the bus and it seems it will work. We arrived at the hotel in Hanshan, so next stop is the room tour.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this is now the room tour in Hanshan, and like I told you, it's a special room, and I think it's the only special room in the whole hotel. So yeah, I will walk you through the room. This is the shower and the toilet, and you can have a view on the city while you are sitting on the toilet. Very nice. Then we have our small own tub here in the middle of the room where we can have a bath later on. And then there's the special round bed, special makeup table. Then here is the hair dryer, water heater, and maybe no minibar. What's this? Oh, just empty wardrobe, big flat screen TV, and let's give me the clock. I will activate the electricity, and then what's this? Now you can see it. There's also a special lighting, as I think at night it will be more funny. You see there's a red light under the bed and also behind the bed. And what's this little device? I don't know. I can't read it, we'll ask later. So, and there's a remote. Yeah, I assume it's for the TV. Yeah. Also they put the logo on the sheets. There's some free water over here and some artificial flowers here. I think it's a pretty nice room, and yeah, quite funny. I just bought it because it wasn't so expensive, and I think when I first saw it, it looked kind of funny. So I just saw when she pressed the buttons. Yeah, there's also some light above the tub, so when you hear that it's not dark. Yeah, and while you're lying on the tub, you can have a view on the city. I think it's a very interesting room. But we will only stay here for one night, and then we will continue. So let's have a check if I can give you a view outside. Yeah, So like you maybe just saw, the windows are not very clean, so when you look outside, actually the weather is a little bit nicer than it looks from here inside. Okay, that's the room tour for Hanshan. I hope you like it, and now yeah, we will enjoy our room. So I figured out what this device is for, and it's actually for some music. So there are some speakers in the ceiling of the room, and you can play some music. Also very nice. Okay, I also just figured out there's a mirror above the bed. It's not very clean, but it's there. Just went to office to register myself for living at the home of the parents of my wife. Wasn't so easy because they weren't quite sure about their own laws, so we had to ask several people and walk from one side to the other side of the building until we found somebody who could help us. And yeah, then they were very happy to do the registration process, because they told me I'm the first German who registered here, and they also want to take a picture with me, so they were very excited that I'm here. So it finally worked. I have a document that I'm registered at the home of my wife's parents, so I can go there without any trouble, and the important things are done. So now we are in Hanshan, and tomorrow we will continue to go to the home of my wife's parents. So yeah, see you there.